Hello everyone. Welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best 1000Mbps RJ45 splitter. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. 1000Mbps transmission speed. The Ugreen RJ45 splitter supports a maximum transmission speed of 1000 Mbps, ensuring seamless performance for tasks like streaming, online gaming, and heavy downloads. 1-to-2 Ethernet splitter. Designed to divide 1 gigabit network into two, this splitter allows simultaneous connection of two devices to the same network without compromising speed or stability. Plug-and-play setup. The device requires no additional software or drivers. Simply connect it to your network and start using it instantly, making it user-friendly for all skill levels. Upgraded aluminum shell. Built with a thickened aluminum alloy, the splitter ensures faster heat dissipation, enhancing durability and performance during extended use. Wide compatibility. Compatible with gigabit broadband, this splitter is suitable for a variety of environments, including homes, offices, and gaming setups. It works seamlessly with PCs, laptops, TV boxes, routers, and gaming devices. Compact and lightweight design. The splitter's portable design makes it easy to integrate into any network setup without taking up much space. Pros. High-speed performance. The 1000 Mbps transmission speed ensures lag-free internet for streaming, gaming, and multitasking. Dual device connectivity. Connect two devices simultaneously without affecting network performance. Durable construction. The aluminum shell provides excellent heat dissipation, making the splitter long-lasting and reliable. Plug-and-play simplicity. No need for complex installations or technical expertise. Wide application, suitable for various settings, including homes, offices, and gaming setups. Compact and sleek design. Takes up minimal space and blends well with any tech environment. Cost-effective solution, allows efficient use of your network without the need for additional equipment. Cons. Limited bandwidth sharing. While it splits the network, simultaneous use of high bandwidth activities may impact individual speeds. No power supply option. Lacks a dedicated power supply, which could limit performance in environments with weak signals. Potential compatibility issues. May not work seamlessly with all network setups, especially older routers or devices. Final thoughts. If you need a straightforward solution to split your Ethernet connection, the Ugreen RJ45 splitter is worth considering. Its plug-and-play convenience, durable construction, and 1000 Mbps speed make it a standout choice in its category. While it may not be suitable for highly complex network setups, it performs exceptionally well in homes, offices, and gaming environments. Check out the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more insightful tech reviews. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.